friends, my name is Sia and today we will be making a DIY origami star. You can put it on your tree as an ornament. And materials needed to make this, we will be needing 8 sheets of little mini squares. We're using yellow and orange. You can make it multicolor or you can make it all same color. We're just using these colors and they're each 2 by 2. This side is 2 and this side is 2, and all of the sides are equal because it's a square, so 2 by 2. We will also be needing this glue stick. And if you have these 2 materials, let's begin. So I'm going to swish these other 7 off to the side. We won't be needing them for now. We'll be folding all of them, but let's start with one. I am going to first fold it like this. If you can see here, there's this point, and I will put my other point here up to that point. It has to meet exactly at the point here, and I'm gonna fold every little bit of it will be aligned with the other one, like this, like a perfect pyramid right here. I'm going to open it. This is like our little midpoint. So this we are going to bring up from here, and we're going to be folding it at the midpoint. If you're confused, you basically take this part here, and it's like you're just crunching it right there. There, you got that shape, and now you will fold it right here, like this. It looks like kind of like a mini kite. Now, if you can see this perfect point right here, we will bring that up to make kind of like a pentagon shape. Okay? I will flip that over. Don't bring it all the way while you flip it over. But now, I will just put it exactly at that up point right there. Okay. Now, this is like a little petal of our little star we're making. So, this we're going to keep aside. Just like that, we're going to do for all of the others. I'm going to take an orange sheet and do the same. So I'm just going to fold this here. This step is kind of important because it will tell you where the midpoint is and make it easier. And then I will scrunch it right here and put it over there. That's one simple way to do it if you're confused. Okay. Just like that, do with the other side. And there we go. And here, you might not want to flip it over immediately and do it. You might want to take it up here and then start to flip it over and then arrange it. So right here, we will flip it. Okay. Okay. Now we have this one done. We will do the same for all of the rest of these 6 sheets. So we will start folding. So now that we have all of these folded, we will start assembling our star. This can be a bit tricky, so watch. I will take one. Please choose one of your colors. We'll be assembling them in a pattern. This does not count if you're using just one plain color. Since we're using a pattern, we are following this rule. We will take 2 of them and slide them like this. That is how it's supposed to be. I will turn this over and put glue right on the back. Now I will go through that again, and then I will stick it right here. Just like that, I will repeat for this one. This time, I'll be taking another orange for the pattern repetition. Just like this, I'll keep assembling like that. I will put glue on the back just like this. Take my star and then glue it right here. Like that, I will keep on doing it. Just remember that you can glue on the little side here, this little pocket. That's where you glue, and you won't put it through this pocket. You'll put it through the left pocket, not the right pocket. Just like that, I'll keep assembling. Right here, I'm also gluing on the left little pocket if I'm gluing it on the left side. So right here, make sure it's glued. So now that I have glued these 5 pieces, I will glue the remaining 3, the 2 yellow and 1 orange. And I will, after I'm done gluing these, I will show you how to complete our star and we will be done. So now that we have glued all 8 pieces together and almost completed the star, here is how you complete it. So I will, this last orange and this last yellow, we will deal with. We will slightly deal with this orange right up so it's almost connected. We will glue, just like we did for the other 7, we will glue it on the orange's back, not the yellow's. We will slightly slide it in. Like that. I will just crease it right there, and that is your finished star. This is how it looks like from the front. It looks like pointed triangles and pretty patterns. On the back, it looks like a little array of diamonds into a pattern and some big triangles on the outside. It kind of looks like a roller coaster that makes you dizzy. And it's very pretty, and I hope you enjoyed making this star with me. And I hope you enjoy putting this as your holiday ornament. Bye bye for now.